kukhona into engifisa sibe aware ngayo, ile yesandla esinoboya within i-MK Party. Ngicabanga ukuthi ama-development wonke umuntu wabonile. I-infiltration kumkhonto wesizwe siyisimpula neimpande. Siyihlahla ezinkulu ezikhonyandwa ka-ANC ezikulo mkhonto wesizwe. Ngifuna ukuba ne-warning ke kulaba ababeseva leya interest unaware ukuthi babetreya abantu base South Africa. Bafowethu zigade into yenzayo ngoba uzoyithola ubetray revolution unaware. Sisho kudala from ngoFebruary sama command ukuthi nangu Khumalo edayisa ngerevolution. Sabababi kwabanye sesaze sakanjwa namagama sabizwa ngamagama wrong because the intelligence work ebesiyenza ibisho ukuthi kunesandla esinoboya kulabantu. I'm happy ke today ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe uthe all units of intelligence aqhamuka nento eyodwa sase simxosha uKhumalo nethimba lakhe. Nane nisasela phansi enihamba noKhumalo, your days are numbered. You must be clear. You can't uma endleleni yabantu sebefuna inkululeko yabo. Wena othatha umkhonto wesizwe ngokweyikhundla uzoba nenkinga. Into yabantu le akuyona into eyikhundla, akuyona into ama-credential ukuthi wena ngo-1962 wenzani. La sizoseva abantu ngaphandle kweyikhundla, ngaphandle kokuma nayiphi faction. Sine faction eyodwa ekuthiwa umkhonto wesizwe esifuna uthuteti ngayo. Those abayi-aligna nalama faction, they are betraying the revolution of the people. And this yanikhuza akekho omkhulu lo, into yabantu le. When isishiya lelizwe sasithunywa abantu bethi asihambe siyojoyina umbutho ongabo sibuye sizobavikela. And we did exactly that. And now we are back sibuyisela umkhonto kubanikazi bawo ekuyinina. Inina abanikazi balo mkhonto wesizwe. Ningathuswa ke abantu abantshela ngama-credential engawona wakulo mkhonto wesizwe phansi. And understandani into eyi-one, la kumkhonto wesizwe phansi ama-credential akho sizowabona ngokuthi useve this organization yabantu ngokweqiniso. Siqolele ngomlando wakho wala uphuma khona. Siqolele ngomlando wakho wala uphuma khona. Two, comrade omkhonto wesizwe, let's make sure we secure ama-elections. Because la masela la phakathi kwethu, la masela athengwa ngama-brown envelope abehamba ne-interest ya certain people abangasave interest yenu. Bavimbeni, bagadeni ngoba sebe already baye-align bathi ba-ama-party agent, abanye bathi siyobala ebusuku. Ningayivumi nonsense. Into yenu le. It's a last chance of a black person uyokuzikhulula. Understandani ke maqabane ukuthi sine duty yokusecure ama-election. And i-duty yethu isekutheni asigade ogqoka isikibha esiyelo, siphinde sigade lo ngime naye ogqoka isikibha esigreen ukuthi akawuthathile yini u-brown envelope. Sibazwile bethi asingawasayini ama-signature ukuqualifyisa umkhonto wesizwe ukuze ungene kwi-campaign. We rise as umkhonto wesizwe sathi lutho. Comrade Mpungose, mawusudayisa ngerevolution awuzuyenza lento eshiwo uKhumalo. Khona ngisho abayibiza ngamasosha ebebekhipha ama-voice notes ethi abantu abangawenzi lama-signatures. Lama-signature bezosenza siqualify for ukuthi sikwazi ukungena evotini. But ngiyambonga uComrade Mpungose, ngizom-introduce nje uconvener weprovince yakwaZulu, ucoordinator weprovince yakwaZulu Natal ngenhlanhla sinaye la. Okuyena osukumile. Wayithatha i-order eqhamuka kuma-command ukuthi will never betray revolution. uKhumalo uyadayisa. Sawenza ubusuku ne-night and lama-signature. Saqualify kwaZulu Natal, saqualify national, saqualify eMpumalanga, saqualify eFree State, saqualify eWestern Cape. Kulodi kwaZulu Natal. Today sebeclaim victory ababehamba noKhumalo bathi hayi bona ababetha ama signature wenziwe, whereas they were sending ama voice note ukuthi nina ama comrade ningawenzi. Bakadeni akusho ukuthi kuba isocial umkhonto wesizwe you are trusted. Ama askara phuma kuthina I betray this revolution. Amandla